Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Because Jesus Bible Journaling, and welcome back to 5 days of giveaways celebrating 5,000 subscribers here on my channel. This giveaway is open locally and internationally with a twist. Stay tuned to find out how to enter. Once again, here are the 5 books I was sent on the topic of Bible journaling. I was asked to review these books here on my YouTube channel, and an extra copy of each was generously provided to me to give away as well. If you're a US subscriber, one of these books could be yours. If you're entering internationally, I'm happy to send you your choice of 2 sets of my own digital Bible journaling templates from my Etsy store. So today we are working in this wonderful book called Trusting in God, featuring Anita C. Haynes' artwork, and this is just lovely. Look at all these beautiful things that she has shared with us. She has lovely banners and arrows, a whole alphabet or 2 or 3 that you can choose from, and of course some beautiful vellum templates, amazing stickers again, and sticker washi tape. So this is set up just a lot like the other books that I'm also giving away, but it's just featuring a new artist. Now, I definitely wanted to be sure to feature one of these This Bible Belongs To stickers. Every one of these books has one of those in it, and so I thought, you know what, my interleaved Bible, that page has been blank for far too long. It's time. So today you're just going to watch me have some fun with stickers. I'm going to pull out my giant Faber-Castell brush pen, and I'm even going to be adding some oil pastels to this page, so stay tuned and keep an eye out for that. Now, as I get busy here, I do want to share with you how to enter the giveaway. Number 1, subscribe to this channel. Number 2, join my Facebook group. Number 3, like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Number 4, leave just 1 comment on this video saying what your Facebook name is and whether you are entering in the contiguous 48 states or internationally. Simple as that. I will pick 1 US and 1 international winner for each of the 5 giveaways. All winners will be announced on February 14th, and I will contact them shortly after. If you're a US winner, you will win the book showcased in the corresponding giveaway. If you're an international winner, I will email you your choice of 2 sets of my own digital Bible journaling templates from my Etsy store. All links are located down below in the description box, as well as a written copy of these guidelines for you as well. So I fell in love with these little singing birds and everything, and I did put one right down in the bottom left corner, but then I just felt like he got lost and it was too busy. He was almost too little, so I went ahead and just put this little heart right over the top of the poor little guy. I felt kind of bad covering him up, but that was just kind of how my page developed. And then I decided to go ahead and do some outlining with my big brush pen in black. And I think this is really helping these images kind of pop off the page a little bit better. I kind of felt like things were getting a little too muddled or chaotic for my taste. And so I did want to go ahead and just do some quick black outlining there. Nothing too crazy, but I think this is helping to kind of anchor those images on the page. And I am really excited that I'm getting a chance to kind of add some artwork to the front of this Bible. I know that my good old trusty standby, my oldest Bible, my single column one, has a page like this that I've already done. And this one is feeling more and more like my own Bible now that I've jumped in and added some artwork to this page. Now, these are my water-soluble oil pastels, but today I'm just going to use them dry. I'm not going to be adding any water to this page. And this is just a fun way to kind of add some shading or some shadowing to things that you've added to the page. I'm just kind of randomly choosing 3 places to add each one of these corresponding colors, and it's just kind of helping things come together a little bit. So I went ahead and wrote my name in just kind of a spread out cursive font, and then I just wrote a couple thoughts that helped me focus on the purpose of why I Bible journal. Things like worshiping you alone, all for your glory. So again, this was the Trusting in God book featuring Anita C. Haynes artwork. I'm happy to share it with you today. Jump into the Word of God for yourself. It is amazing. Find our community over on Facebook. Find me on Etsy. That's where I sell my Bible journaling templates, and I also give them away for free sometimes over on my Facebook group. I hope this has been a blessing to you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being my partner in this ministry. God bless you.